is because we, as a nation, have this group which is still going to be significant not only today, but in 10 years' time and 15 years' time. I truly believe that if you look at the decade from 2010 to 2020, I think China will grow faster than us. But the decade of 2020 to 2030 is a time it could be India's decade. But what is required to make it India's decade is the critical question. Right? So the size of the prize, and I'm not going to go through the numbers, is large. India and China, as you look at it, are separated by 7 years. Now, to many people who have gone to China in the recent past would say that, I have smoked something illegal before coming here. If you look at the infrastructure in China, it's 20 years, 25 years ahead. But if you look at the core macroeconomic drivers in terms of consumption-led economy, you actually find that in category after category, you find the difference between India and China is 7 years. The interesting thing is the more premium you go, the gap increases. It is close to 10 years. The more mass you go, the gap reduces. So India today sells the same number of cell phones that China did 5 years back. But BMW sells in India in 2012 the same number of cars that it sold in China in 2002. So the decade gap still remains, but that's something which can be made up in the next decade. Now, if the size of prize is so large, is it so easy to win? And the fact of the matter is it's not. I'm sure that to an audience like this, which has entrepreneurs and students of management and economics, I'm not going to spend too much time getting into the details of each one of these areas. The fact remains that India and China are not countries. They are continents. I have never heard of anybody saying that this is how I'm going to win in Europe. It's about how I'm going to win in France, Germany, Italy, etc. In India, when you think about winning, in China, when you think about winning, you need to recognize the diversity in languages, in cultures, between food, non-food, infrastructure, everything. It's very, very diverse. The second is consumers who actually want it all. We hope that we will introduce the Paisa Vasool terminology in management jargon over the course of the next few years,